You see how they're kind of putting their, Juliet's kind of putting her head on Jack's neck and vice versa. See, just like that. Now, that's a sign of a dog fight about to happen. Now, obviously, these two are just playing, but one of the things that you want to look for if your dog is doing this is if their hackles are raised. That's the hair on the back of their neck and shoulders. If that's up, then they're about to fight. And also have a closed mouth. Because for whatever reason, dogs will bite from a closed mouth position. But these two, neither one of their hackles are raised. Or maybe Jack's a little bit. I think that's more of Juliet's pawing at him. It's not a real fight. So if you see your dogs doing, well, that right there, the necking like that, exactly like that, and you have their, sorry, I'm trying not to laugh, doing this, and their hair is standing up on the back of their shoulders, like right there, then it's about to have a fight. So that's my PSA. And it's midnight right now, and these are what these two are doing while the rest of my family's asleep. I also just want to point out that when we brought Jack home, Juliet was already, what, 3 years old? And she absolutely hated him at first. Face bites of love. All right, I gotta break this up so I can go to bed.